Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to check Snapchat deleted messages. Unfortunately, Snapchat doesn't allow you to retrieve deleted messages directly through the app. However, you can try the following options. Open the chat and see if the message is still visible. If it has been cleared, it cannot be retrieved. If you save snaps to memories before deleting them, check there. And you can request account data through the Snapchat support, which may include some chat information. To maintain your records, consider taking screenshots of important messages in the future. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.